morning students, welcome back to K2 Government College. I am going to start today sentence transformation for the class 9th and 10th for CBSE board. Okay students, so sentence transformation is your topic today, and as you know in sentence transformation rule A, use and removal of adverb to. In this rule you see use and removal of adverb to. Remove, you have to remove use and removal of adverb to. So first of all remove of adverb. How to remove adverb to? That is adverb to. TWO means adverb to. It is called adverb to. So see in first example, Hari is too fat to run. Here it is written one sentence. Hari is too fat to run. Then and next of the sentence it is written remove adverb to. Remove adverb to. So students, in this sentence you have to remove this adverb to and this to. Okay, listen properly. This adverb to and this to. So first of all you see the meaning of this sentence. Hari is too fat to run. As you know in transformation meaning should not change. So first of all you see the meaning of this sentence. Hari is too fat to run. This too means इतना ज़्यादा. Too fat इतना ज़्यादा means Hari इतना ज़्यादा मोटा. Hari is too fat to run means दौड़ नहीं सकता. This to run means दौड़ नहीं सकता. Okay ना? Confirm? Then Hari is this to change into so. Okay? Hari is so fat, and in place of this to write that he cannot run. The meaning of both sentences is same. In sentence transformation meaning should not change, so the meaning of both sentences same. Hari is too fat to run. The meaning of this sentence is Hari इतना मोटा है कि दौड़ नहीं सकता. And when we change adverb to and to, so the meaning of this sentence is also Hari is so fat that he cannot run. Hari इतना मोटा है कि दौड़ नहीं सकता. Okay students? And in place of this adverb to write so, and in place of this to first of all write that. Okay, and after that write subject. Here subject is Hari, so according to Hari write here he, and next is given is, and is means it is in present tense, so write here cannot. You can write here cannot run. So Hari is so fat that he cannot run. Understood? Second sentence. Mamta was too weak to run. Mamta was too weak to run. In this sentence, Mamta was too weak to run. So first of all, know the meaning of this sentence. Mamta was too weak. ममता इतनी कमजोर थी टू रन मीन्स दौड़ नहीं सकती थी. देन चेंज इनटू रिमूव दैट वर्ब टू ममता वाज इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस टू राइट सो. ममता वाज सो वीक एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस टू राइट दैट. although your subject is Mamta, so write here she, and the sentence was in past tense, so write here could not run. And this is why the meaning of both sentence is same common. Mamta was too weak to run. Mamta was so weak that she could not run. And in third sentence, the tea is too hot. The tea is too hot. Okay? So in such types of sentences, remove this adverb to, then the tea is in place of this to write extremely. The tea is extremely hot. In place of only this to write extremely. So the tea is extremely hot. Okay, students. So this part removal of adverb to remove of adverb is completed here. Now use of adverb to. Okay. Then okay students, now see use of adverb to. Second type. First we study removal of adverb to. In this type of sentences, remove adverb to, and now use adverb to. So first example, Mamta was so tall that she could not sit properly. She could not sit properly. So look this sentence. Mamta was so tall that she could not sit properly. In this sentence you have to remove so and that she could not, and use adverb to, and in second part of sentence only to. So use adverb to. Mamta was too tall. This is adverb to, and in place of that she could not, use only to. Sit properly. Sit properly. So this is why you have to only change opposite the rule of remove. In use of adverb to, you have to write only opposite rule of remove. Okay? So Mamta was too tall to sit properly. Second sentence. Deepak is so honest that he cannot be a lawyer. A lawyer. Second sentence. Mamta is so honest. Sorry, Deepak is so honest that he cannot be a lawyer. So here in place of this adverb to, so write to. Deepak is too honest, and in place of that he cannot write this to be a lawyer. Okay, and third, the milk was extremely hot. The milk was extremely hot. So in place of extremely, you have to write only the milk was too hot. So in place of extremely, use only too hot. The milk was too hot. Okay. So straight, this is why the rule 1A, use and remolar verb to is completed. Okay. In next rule, we will study degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. Rule B, degree of comparison. Second rule, degree of comparison. So first of all, you know degrees. There are three kinds of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So you see what is positive degree. Then okay students, so you see what is positive degree. In positive degree, we study the good and bad qualities of a person, from a place or thing. So first of all, you know what is positive degree. In positive degree, we study the good and bad qualities of one person, place or thing. Example: Hari is a good boy. Second, Mamta is a tall girl. Third, Lucknow is a big city. So students, these are positive degree examples. Okay na? Then you see, we study the definition. What is positive degree? Then in positive degree, we study the good and bad qualities of a person, place or thing. And there are examples. Hari is a good boy. Mamta is a tall girl. So these are first form of adjective: good, tall and big. why Mamta is a tall girl and Lucknow is a big city. Okay. Second, comparative degree. Second, comparative degree. In comparative degree, we study the better or worse qualities we compare. In comparative degree, we compare the better or worse qualities between two persons, places or things. So students, see again comparative degree. We define here. We compare the better or the worst qualities between two persons, places or things. This is very important. Examples. Hari is better than Ram. Hari is better than Ram. Meera is taller than Hari. Meera is taller than Hari. And third, Lucknow is bigger than Kanpur. Lucknow is bigger than Kanpur. So in comparative degree, we compare here the better or worse qualities between two persons, places or things. Hari is better. Better is second form of good and taller is second form of tall and bigger is second form of big. So in comparative degree, we use only bigger, taller and better. Okay? And third, superlative. Superlative degree. So students, in superlative degree, in superlative degree, we study the best or the worst qualities of one person, place or thing. In a circle. In a circle. Then we study the best or the worst qualities of Hari is the best boy in his class. Hari is the best boy in his class. Second, Meera is the tallest girl in her family. And third, Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. So here are three examples. First, Hari is the best boy in his class. In his class is something. That means Hari is the best boy in his class. Meera is the tallest girl in her family. Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. Okay, students. So these are three degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now you see what to do with three degrees in sentence transformation. What to do? 3 degrees in sentence transformation. So students, look properly at the board. As for example, one sentence is given: Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. Okay, Lucknow is the biggest city in UP, and in bracket it is written change into positive. Change into positive degree. Then you have to change this sentence into positive degree, but meaning of sentence is not changed. So Lucknow is the biggest city in UP. It means Lucknow UP में सबसे बड़ा है. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का मतलब होता है जब हम किसी सेंटेंस को दूसरी डिग्री में चेंज करें, लेकिन उसका मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ इसका मीनिंग है लखनऊ इज द बिगेस्ट सिटी इन यूपी. इट इज सुपरलेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, एंड नाउ चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव डिग्री. चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव डिग्री. देन चेंज पॉजिटिव डिग्री विदाउट चेंज ऑफ इट्स मीनिंग. देन सी नो अदर सिटी in UP is as big as Lucknow. No other city in UP is as big as Lucknow. So the meaning of both sentence is same. Like no other city means कोई दूसरा शहर नहीं. In यूपी में इज एज बिग उतना बड़ा है एज लखनऊ जितना कि लखनऊ. इट मीन्स लखनऊ इज द बिगेस्ट सिटी इन यूपी. इट मीन्स लखनऊ इज द बिगेस्ट सिटी इन यूपी. सो दिस इज व्हाई सुपरलेटिव सेंटेंस चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. एंड चेंज दिस नाउ इट इज पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. ओके ना? And this change this positive sentence into comparative sentence. what to write? So first half I'll write Lucknow is bigger than any other city in UP. So the comparative sentence of this positive is Lucknow is bigger than any other city in okay. And you see second sentence, this is first type of superlative. There are two types of superlative sentences. First, if it is given, is the, and second type, look this sentence, Lucknow is one of the biggest cities in UP. So students, it is second type of superlative. It is first type of superlative and it is second type of superlative. See what is difference between two type of superlatives. In first type of superlative, if is the is given in superlative, so city, object is city, first form, and here when is one of the is given, then you write plural, cities in you. And now change into positive degree, change into positive. Then how to change? So first of all, this type of sentence change in positive degree, and the sentence starts from no other. Look here, properly start to no other. And this type of superlative sentence starts from very few. Then very few cities in UP are as big as Lucknow. As big as Lucknow. It is very important point. Very few cities. When in superlative is one of the is given, then start very few. Positive sentence start with very few. So very few cities in UP are as big as Lucknow. And when change this type of sentence into comparative, then how to change? Lucknow is bigger than most other cities in UP. So look here, what is the difference between this comparative and this comparative sentence? When the sentence start from is the, then use any other, and when the sentence start from is one of the, then use in comparative degree most other. Here A, use and revolve are verb 2, and B, degree of comparison is completed here. Okay students.